Hello, this is a very short video about saving sentences that you have in your table. So if you have a piece of code like this, where you have, say, a table called test table, and here you have a whole sentence in here that you might want to use in your experiment. For example, you could have something in your task, something like show text at 1, which then refers to the first column. That's anything between quotes as well. Here, show text at 1 means take this and show it on the screen. And you can also save it. The problem is this, and let's try that. If I save this and compile it, and then run the experiment, then what we see, actually, it went so quick, there was no delay. So, but we have created data, and it says, "Hello there, how are you?" And actually, this, if you would save this, or if you would even look at this, how it looks in your data file, you can, for example, use the so-called debug mode. For this, you need to use the advanced features, which you need to set in the settings. Anyway, you do compile, you run the experiment, and then actually you can see the output save comes in on the right. So let's click, we do it, and you see the output file would look like this. So it would, in the output file, not be between quotes. So how can we put it between quotes in the output file? Now, what you would do is you would do you use a set, and you create a text variable, and then in the text variable you set the like the column of your table you've taken. And if you do that and you save it, you save the data as a text variable. Because it's a text variable, starting with the % sign, it will automatically put it in quotes. So if we save this and compile this, and let's actually compile it in the debug mode, so that we directly see what the output file, which is a text file, looks like. Then if we run this, we compile it, and then you see here you get your text in quotes. And that's it. That's the whole thing that I wanted to explain quickly, because I can imagine that some people will want that, even though it is something that is probably only useful if you run psycholinguistic experiments with sentences.